What's up guys, today we will work on our first challenge. It's called say hello world with Python. Let's just read the problem statement. Here is a simple line of code that can be executed in Python. Hello world, print hello world. I think in this challenge they are just asking us to just print simply hello world. We can also declare a variable called myString and assign it to hello world and then print myString. So this can also be done like this. So this is the print hello, but here we will just instead of declaring myString variable, we will just print hello world. And we have to one of the things we have to be very careful, we have to match the exact what they are, like comma and space here. We can't, for example, this might not work because we are not giving enough space. Let's see if it will pass. So see, it's asking us to give some space here. So if we give the space, I think will work. Yep, congratulations, you have passed the sample test case. This is one way of doing things. The other way we can do called what they have kind of given the example here, myString hello world, and we can pass that string to print, so it will print the hello world. This might work too. Yep, so it's working. So yeah, we can do it two ways. It depends on how we want to do. Do we want to declare a variable or just print the hello world straight away, or like what we did before? I think it's totally up to us. Let's just submit our code. Yep, success. Our test case passed. Thanks for watching my video.